Lawctopus Law School was recently invited to host a 6-day workshop at Kingston Law College, Calcutta. Each day started with an insightful contract drafting session, which was followed by a comprehensive career skill session. And to wrap up the day, we had some personalized one-on-one informal discussions with the students. The students actively engaged in practical activities involving negotiation of contracts, and the entire journey was marked with new learnings, physical exercises, and a lot of fun riddles. The workshop received a rating of 92.14% from a total of 67 learners. Overjoyed with their experience, the learners had some interesting things to say.
Many of the things I've come to know about it.
पहले मुझे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्राफ्टिंग ज़्यादा पता नहीं था, बट आई थिंक आई कैन मेक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स.
Ma'am has explained everything in very depth.
No one in our class was aware of this before, and it was a wonderful session.
Join us for more such journeys across the country.